Okay, YouTube, on today's episode of Garage Boys, we're going to replace the vehicle speed sensor on a 1997 Toyota Camry, but this will work between the 1997 and the 2001. And this is our vehicle. We purchased the part on Amazon, super cheap, $13. Usually goes for about $150 at any auto parts store, but it was just $13. And I'm going to show you the location of it and also all the information for the part on the description below with a link if you want to buy it. And for this job, our sensor is located over there underneath the car. So we're gonna pick up the car, use your jack, make sure you lift it properly, and let me show you where exactly is the sensor and how we're gonna replace it. Okay guys, so here we are underneath the car, and I'm underneath the passenger seat. That's the driver's side right there. I'm on this side. Here's the muffler. It's hot, so I'm kind of trying to record like this, but if you see, there's a transmission, and on top of the transmission, that plug right there, that's the sensor. So that's what we're gonna be unplugging. We're gonna unplug it and then take it out. It's a size 10 bolt, and there's a lot of oil, but I just want to show you the location. Make sure you do this when your car is cold, because it's really hot. If you've been driving it, it's not gonna happen. All this is super hot. So I just want to show you the location. Let me just get in a better position and show you what you have to do. Okay guys, so I got underneath the car, and like I said, I showed you where the sensor is. I unplugged it, but I noticed it was a big tide and it's kind of too hot and all that, so I came up here to have a look at it. And if you come in, that's your battery, intake, engine, and there's the 4-cylinder. Come in right through here, and as you can see, that's the sensor right there. Let me see if I can. Yeah, that's it. I already unplugged it, but there's a lot of space in there. So what I think I'm gonna do is there's a size 10 bolt that we're gonna remove. I'm just gonna take this off and just run my hand through here. Just run it through. I'm gonna wear a glove. Run it through, take out that 10, and just pull out the sensor. I'm gonna try that, see how it goes. There it is. It's right there. It's by itself. It's already unplugged. Like I said, I unplugged it from underneath, but I think it's easier if you unplug it from here. Just a little push and pull. And I'm gonna go ahead and let me just show you. See, just right through there. It's very, very easy. I'm gonna take this off and see how I do. All right, guys. So I took this cover off. It's right there. It was just 2 bolts, which I put them in the size. They're size 10. It's really a no-brainer. That's why I didn't show it. Just unplug this. I unplugged this cable from the side, and then I took out this bolt right here, and then this one right here. I think it was this one. It was 2 bolts. I loosened this up, and I took out the whole cover. It gave me space. I did have to move this. See how this is kind of like a little metal. I moved it to the side, and that's the sensor right there. Let me see if I can zoom. Yeah, and I already removed the bolt. It's a size 10. I didn't show you how I did the process. It's really, like I said, it's very simple. This is the bolt right there. I used this setup, and let me show you how I just fit my hand. Let me zoom out. Okay. I fit my hand right through here, and as you can see right there, see, I have my setup, and that's where the magic happened right there. See, right there. So now that I removed that, very simple, and there's a lot of space, so you don't have to get underneath the car. It's also dangerous. Let me see if I can get some light in there. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just gonna get the sensor and pull it straight up, and maybe a little bit tight because it has a little gasket and it's kind of long. So I'm gonna grab it with my hand and I'm gonna pull up. If I have trouble with that, I'm gonna use a flathead and kind of like pair it on the sides and kind of twist and pull, twist and pull, twist and pull. So I'm gonna take care of that, and I'm gonna pull it out. You shouldn't have any issues. If I have any issues, I'll let you know. But let's do that, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, guys. So I removed the part. Just pull out straight up. Really easy. No issues there. As you can see, it has a gasket. This one is already old. This one is new. There's the new part. Like I said, all the information is in the description. When you pull it out, it comes out with this gear right here, this cylinder, and it hooks up with this pin. As you can see, I don't have the pin, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take this pin off, take this whole system, put it on the new one, and put my pin back. My gears and everything are fine, so I shouldn't have any issues with that. There was transmission fluid here, which is fine. And I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, take this pin off. I'm just gonna use two flatheads, but I'm gonna use both of my hands. And I'm gonna just push this out with both of your hands. Just, oh, yeah, I got it. Yeah. Doesn't cool like that. So that's it. That's one, that's the pin, and then this should come out straight out. Yep, there it goes. And it's gonna go in the same way it came out. So I'm gonna use both of my hands. I'm gonna see if there's anything else inside. I'll let you know. I'm gonna take that, put it in here, and put this back, let you know if you have any issues. This, like I mentioned before, will solve your speedometer not working, your odometer not showing, and also your check engine light. You get a code for this. I'm gonna put the code in the description as well. But you get a code, and the code is the vehicle speed sensor. That's the only code that we have right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this. Okay guys, so very easy. Took out the pin, put it back. There's only one way it can go in. When you push it, you'll notice. And then the pin can only lock in one little spot, so then you have to maybe pull out this a little bit out, and the pin will click in. I also went on and got my transmission dipstick, got some transmission fluid, and just kind of rubbed it around here so you can have some lubrication, not a lot. And like I said, you can get this, you know, from your transmission dipstick from the same car. Now I'm gonna put on the part. Let me see if I'm able to do it with one hand. Let me put some, trying to get some light in there. Okay, and this is our best window here. Let's see. Okay. Well, you can't really see, but I am achieving progress. Well, I thought I wasn't gonna be able to do it, but I'm gonna use both of my hands and just push it in there, as you can see. So let me do that and let you know if I found any other issue. All right, guys, I just put it back on. Very easy, no complaints there. Just wiggle it a little bit. I'm sure you won't find any issues doing this job. I'm gonna get the bolt down, put it back, and we're gonna screw that in. Now I'm also gonna remember to connect the plug, which I took it off when I was underneath the car, which was a really bad idea. Getting underneath the car, it was useless. I just saw another video online, and that's what they did. That was super dumb. Now I'm gonna come in here and plug this in, and there you go. I haven't tightened up that bolt, but as you can see there, guys, that's it. You all set. Very easy job, under 20 minutes, $13 part. You may say, oh wait, that's super cheap, it's made in China, it's $13. Well, the OEM part is $140, so I can replace this 10 times and still be saving money. So even if this will last me 6 months or a year, I can do that 10 times. So I mean, can't really complain about that. Amazon Prime, I ordered yesterday, got it today. Very easy job. I hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you had any issues doing this job, and share it with your friends, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope it really helped, because this issue is kind of annoying, not knowing how fast you're going. But thanks for watching, guys. Take care.